Most people get this wrong when evaluating field service software. They get excited by feature lists, watch a few demos, and assume every platform will improve their business. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best software is the one that solves your biggest operational problem, not the one with the most features. In this video, we're taking an honest look at OrcaTec in 2026. You'll learn what it does well, where it falls short, who it's best for, and whether it's worth considering for your service business. Let's get straight to the answer. OrcaTec is a field service management platform designed to help service companies handle scheduling, dispatching, customer management, estimates, invoicing, and technician workflows from a single system. For many small and mid-sized service businesses, that's exactly what they need. Imagine Jake owns a plumbing company with 5 technicians. Before using software, he's juggling phone calls, paper schedules, missed appointments, and delayed invoices. OrcaTec aims to bring those processes together into one organized workflow. One of its biggest strengths is operational management. Scheduling jobs, assigning technicians, tracking customer information, and managing work orders can become significantly more streamlined compared to manual systems. But here's the problem. Software only creates value if your team actually uses it consistently. This is where many business owners fail. They purchase a platform expecting instant results but never fully implement it into their daily operations. Now here's where it gets interesting. OrcaTec isn't necessarily trying to be the most complex platform in the market. Instead, it focuses on helping service businesses manage everyday operations more efficiently. For companies that prioritize organization, scheduling, and customer management, that simplicity can be a major advantage. In a minute, I'll show you the type of business that benefits most from OrcaTec. Let's talk about workflow. If Alex runs an HVAC company, he can use software like OrcaTec to centralize customer records, create estimates, convert them into jobs, schedule technicians, and generate invoices. Having those functions connected reduces administrative work and improves visibility across the business. Another advantage is mobility. Field technicians can access important job information without relying on constant phone calls to the office. But here's something many reviews don't mention. No software is perfect for every business. Larger organizations with highly specialized workflows may require more advanced integrations, reporting, or customization than a smaller platform can provide. That's why evaluating your actual needs is critical. So is OrcaTec worth it in 2026? For small to mid-sized field service businesses looking to improve scheduling, customer management, and operational efficiency, OrcaTec can be a solid option. Its value comes from simplifying day-to-day operations and reducing administrative friction. The key takeaway is simple. Don't judge software by feature count alone. Judge it by how much time, effort, and confusion it removes from your business. If this review helped you understand OrcaTec better, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and leave a comment with the field service platform you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.